What's up, guys? It's a little cold outside. It's snowing out. It's not sticking, but it doesn't snow often in Kansas, so when it does, it's kind of weird here. But today, we are doing the final step of the aero install. We've got the diffuser for the rear in here from Vega. We got to put it together. We got it up on the stand. I keep forgetting what they're called. The ramps. Yeah, the ramps. That's it. Got them on there. A lot harder to do when you're by yourself, but got it on there. So we're going to assemble this first, and then we're going to get it lined up. Shouldn't be too difficult to install. The only other thing is I have a tow hitch on the ST actually. So I'm going to take that off and give it to my friend Chandler because he's got a Focus as well. I don't really need something like that on this. It's going to be a track car. So I need to get that off, which is going to make it a little bit more of a process, but shouldn't be that bad. Then we'll get the diffuser on. It should be good to go. Alright, so we're underneath, and now we gotta get the whole thing off for the tow hitch. So for the tow hitch, it's this whole black thing that goes over the exhaust and they're on the back. Interesting thing to note as well, for anyone who has a Focus ST and they want to do this same type of thing that I have, it will only work if you have an aftermarket exhaust. I learned that the hard way because with a stock exhaust, the muffler is just absolutely huge right here and it just won't be able to fit with this bracket. So you have to have one. This is a cob catback, and just with it just being the piping, there's plenty of room for it, and it's just held on by the same bolts that mount on the exhaust itself. So for the exhaust hanger. And this is just an additional one that the previous owner had installed when he got it. I need to get eye protection. So I'm gonna have to finagle this through and hopefully not die. So it's just fully resting on the exhaust now. I remember that being a lot harder to do, but I also know it was harder getting it in than taking it out. So thankfully I don't have to put it back in. So now we just bolt the exhaust back up, and yeah, so it should be alright. So the next part here, there's this part right here that attaches to the bumper, and I'm going to take this out and drill a 1/4-inch hole in it, and that's going to allow for the new bolts to go in. Same thing over here. And then once the whole thing is up, I believe I'm going to be drilling 2 holes over here, and then I think that's it. So almost done. So one thing I am doing, I'm using some jacks right here just to kind of hold it up and get it in place, and then hopefully once I start threading some of the bolts and nuts in, won't have to use that, but definitely makes life a lot easier, especially when you're doing it by yourself. All right, so I got this bracket all done, and same on this side. So right now that really only means this one, and then the same on the other side is what's holding it up. So you can see he was just still hanging out, but gonna have to just drill some holes in there. But just wanted to get as lined up as I can and then get those in. And then I think we're all done. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Alright, so that is one side done. Just gotta get the others, and then we're freaking done with this thing. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, my car is dirty, so if you ignore that, I think it looks pretty cool. Guys, I've been neglecting Cody for far too long. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. It has been a tough process getting all that in, I'll be honest. Mostly because I'm an idiot, because there's a lot of things that I would do once and then do it wrong. I have to undo it and then redo it again. So that was the part that was a pain. Other than that though, I gotta say the rear diffuser was definitely the easiest. That was the least painful of all of it. I'm so stoked I got it. It looks so sick. Thank you so much for watching and supporting and all the positive comments I've been getting. It really means the world to me. If you guys would think about liking and maybe subscribing, it'd be pretty nice. You don't have to. You have free will. You can do whatever you want. Would I like to get to 1,000 subscribers? Yes, that would be preferable. But thank you guys so much again for watching. I really appreciate it. Next time we're going to be doing some Next time, we're going to be doing some suspension and other cool things like that. Can't wait for it. See you guys in the next one.